Hi, I'm Don from dondroneson. Today I have some tremendous news for RC aircraft enthusiasts who are members of the MAC organization. Let's check it out. I received a link to this document about a week ago from one of my supporters. It is an announcement by the MAC organization. MAC is the Model Aeronautics Association of Canada, representing about 13,000 members in their club across Canada. The announcement is an agreement with Transport Canada to exempt MAC members from the new RPAS regulations that take effect on June the 1st, 2019. The document outlines some of the key characteristics of this exemption, and it includes a copy of the exemption itself. The exemption goes into effect on June the 1st, 2019, the same day as the RPAS regulations kick in, and was signed off on May 17th by Nicholas Robinson, Director General, Civil Aviation for Transport Canada. I looked all over the Transport Canada website, including the drone safety website, and there was no sign of any comment about this exemption, so I tried to contact Mr. Robinson by email. A week went by and I have not received a response. Let's go through the 4 key elements of this exemption. There are 4 key facts that the MAC exemption brings out. Number 1. MAC members will be exempt from all provisions of the 2019 Canadian RPAS Regulations, subject to 15 conditions being met. Sounds like a lot, but it's actually not that scary. 5 of the conditions are MAC association requirements that effectively reflect the current MAC safety rules and procedures. The other 10 conditions are for the individual MAC member, and the MAC member requirements indicate that basically they must be in good standing and must follow all the MAC rules, particularly the safety rules. Fact number 2, the MAC organization can sanction a field, a location, in any controlled or restricted airspace, like Class C, Class F, any of those things, even within 3 nautical miles of an airport, which is the key dimension referred to in the RPAS regulations, providing that they obtain written authorization from the controlling agency for that airspace. So the MAC organization must secure a written agreement with the controlling agency in order to be sanctioned. The agreement must include operational boundaries, maximum altitudes, and communications protocols when MAC members are flying in that area. And by the way, there are currently 58 MAC clubs that operate in controlled airspace. So yes, this is pretty significant. Key fact number 3, a MAC member can also fly at an unsanctioned field. Note that key fact number 2 said that the MAC organization could sanction a field. Well, rule number 3 is a MAC member can also fly at an unsanctioned field if they obtain authorization from the controlling agency for the airspace on their own. So should they choose to do so, an individual MAC member can seek their own agreement with the controlling agency of controlled airspace or an aerodrome. Key fact number 4. A MAC member is exempt only if adhering to all of the conditions. And here's just a few of them, but they're probably the main ones. That they are flying according to the MAC safety code, all the operational rules for that MAC club, and their guidelines. The MAC member has to demonstrate safe and competent flying. The way the MAC organization works is that they have a set of safety rules, and you have to demonstrate to a delegate of the MAC organization that you know how to fly and you know how to fly safely and appropriately for the kind of aircraft that you're flying. You have to still fly in visual line of sight of the aircraft. Either the pilot has to have visual line of sight or an assigned visual observer has a visual line of sight to the aircraft. And last but not least, the MAC member has to have their dues payment up to date with the club. All right, so those are the key facts in the MAC exemption, the exciting news that came out about a week ago. If you have any questions, I encourage you to contact the MAC organization. There's a link in the description below, but basically it's maac.ca is their website. This is tremendous news for MAC members. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos and leave a comment below. Thanks again.